If I could give 2020 a title, I would say Unwavering Faith. In spite of getting my car taken away from me because it was stolen in January of last year, 2020, returned back to me vandalized, shot up, undrivable for 10 months. In spite of me and my 4 children contracting COVID, me being sick for 2 months, after returning to work, getting laid off 3 weeks later, being out of work for 4 months, continuing to have residual symptoms from COVID, lingering symptoms, which also caused me not to be able to be the mom I felt like I could be. With my faith, I have made it, and my smile is real, and this energy you feel is real. So if I could title 2020 anything, it would be Unwavering Faith.